Welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. Today, we will have a look at categories. You've probably faced it too. You have plenty of deals and you need to split them by territories, or you want to view your customers by industries. Or another example, you need to segregate emails by topics. If this is your case, you will love categories. Categories in eWay-CRM allow us to split data into different sections. No matter if the section represents an industry, territory, topic, company department, or hobbies. Every time you need to assign one object, a company for example, to one or more sections, use categories. Categories can also be related to permissions. If you categorize companies, you are then able to set up permission so that sales reps can only see firms from their territories, which are categories. Categories in eWay-CRM are shared in two different ways. If you create categories in, let's say, companies, the categories will be available in deals, contacts, or other modules. You don't need to manage different lists. Second, categories are shared amongst all people within your organization. If you make a list of categories, all your employees can use it. This way, you can be sure everyone follows the same rules. This is completely different from how Microsoft Outlook works. In there, every employee makes their list of categories that are not shared. This is why Outlook and eWay-CRM categories are not the same. Categories are available in eWay-CRM for Outlook, eWay-CRM Mobile, and in eWay-CRM Web, so that they are always by hand. Enough theory, let's have a look at how to work with categories. Create a new category. If you are in a list of items, let's say companies, wondering how to assign a non-existing category, here is the trick. Right-click on any record, choose Categories, and select New Category. Type down the name of your new category and save it. That's all. Now, right-click on another company and select Categories again. See? Your new category is now on the list. If you are on any record, you can follow the same procedure. The button Categories is in the main toolbar, so click on it and choose New Categories. You know the rest. Assign a category. If you go back to the list of items, let's say companies, right-click on any of them and choose Categories. You get a list of available groups and you need to just select one of them. Following the same steps, you can assign a category to more companies. Just select as many records as you want and repeat the procedure. That's it. Again, you can apply the same when looking at a particular item. Click Categories in the main ribbon and select the requested one. Rename or delete a category. To rename a category, open a record that contains the category. We use a company as an example. Click on the tab Categories and double-click on the category. This way, you will open it. Here, you can change its name, or delete it completely by pressing the button Delete. In such a case, the category will be deleted from all records within your eWay-CRM database, so be careful. If you only want to remove the category from a particular object, just click Categories in the main ribbon and uncheck it. Of course, you can do it from the grid. You know the drill. Filtering and grouping. When being in a list of items, you can easily get just those from a specific category. Just click on the filter strip and select it. Easy. If you right-click on a header of the column Categories, notice the option Group by this column. Your records will split into individual sections. If a record is assigned to more categories, it will appear in all of them. Assign a category to emails. We are heading to the finale. Some of you might be wondering how to assign a category to an email from your inbox. If you are looking at a list of emails received, click on the tab eWay-CRM and press Categorize. In there, select the requested category or categories. Easy. Be aware that Microsoft Outlook has its own button Categorize. That's available in the Home tab. Don't miss it with the eWay-CRM categorization. You already know that eWay-CRM and Outlook categories are not the same. If you need to categorize an outgoing email, the easiest way is to turn on the automatic email tracking. We explained how to do it in one of the previous videos. If you activate the automatic email tracking and hit Send on an email, a small pop-up dialog opens. Here, you can assign a category right away. Email categorization can be very useful if you need to separate emails by topics or products discussed in the messages. Later on, you can open a contact and filter just the emails listed in a particular category. It saves a lot of time. That is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, you can like it on YouTube. If you wish to learn more about eWay-CRM, you can also visit our blog or social networks. You can also contact us at support@eway-crm.com. We are ready to help you. Thank you for your attention, have a nice day, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.